Hello everyone, welcome back to Swiflearn. We try harder. So Swiflearn is India's most sincere learning destination for the classes 1 to 10. Here we are providing 100% live and interactive classes, personalized attention batch with maximum 6 students. A dedicated academic mentor team to track and work on student progress. Covers syllabus as per the school exam schedule and also handle custom requests. So, every day we try harder to create a wonderful learning experience because we value your time and effort. So are you ready everyone to join for the brain training session of day 4? Are you ready? Let's go. Let's look at the first question. It's a memory math. So each sea creature represented by a number. So crab is equal to 5, the starfish is equal to 3 and octopus is equal to 2. So here we go, it will be the crab plus the starfish plus the octopus minus octopus is equal to, what is the answer? So it will be 5 plus 3 plus 2 minus 2 is equal to, what is the answer? So it will be applicable for the second row and the third row as well. So get ready, let's do these equations and find the solutions in a count of 3, 2, 1. Let's go, you have only 10 seconds. Remember, let's do this. You can do it. Let's try to find the accurate answers. Let's observe. Let's keep your mind calm and you can do it. Try not to get tensed. Keep trying. You will be able to do this. This is a simple activity. Brush your mind. Use your math skills. It's good. Keep trying everyone. I hope you got the answer. And let's check the answer. The answer is the first row. The crab plus starfish plus octopus minus octopus is equal to 8. The starfish plus the crab plus the octopus divided by the starfish is equal to 3.3. The octopus plus the starfish plus the crab minus octopus divided by a crab is equal to 1.6. If you got the answer, you did an amazing job. Keep trying and let's try to do these kind of activities. It will really help you to brush your mind and increase the mathematical knowledge. So let's move to the next activity, that is let's brainstorm. So the line inside the cube is crooked or straight? What do you think? Is it crooked or straight? I hope you got the answer. Let's move to the next one. So when you will fold the arc and made into a circle, which one will have larger diameter? So what do you think? Which one? Is it option A, option B or option C or what else? I hope you got the answer. Let's check the answer. So, the line inside the cube is crooked or straight. The answer is straight because due to the optical illusion, it looks like it's crooked but it is straight and it's inside a cube. So, when you will fold the arc and made into a circle, which one will have larger diameter? Same diameter. A, B and C will have the same diameter. Good job everyone. Keep trying. You got this. So activity from the past. I really love to do this activity because it will really enhance the intelligence and the focus. So let's do this one. You have only 2 options today, but you can do this. So the first one, add 6 matches to form 5 more squares. So you can add 6 more matches to 5 more squares. So you just look at all matches over here and where you can find 5 more squares. Let's think and think and think and find the answer. For the second option, move 3 matches to form 3 squares. So you have to use the matches from here itself and you can make 3 squares. Like total number will be 3. Let's try it. You can do it. Let's figure it out. Let's use your brain. Let's be focused. Look at it, look at it, look at it and think and find the answer. Let's check the answer over here. Add 6 matches to form 4 more squares. So here we added 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 matches. 1, 2, 3 and 4. We got 4 more squares. So here we go. So you use these 3 matches to put here, here, here. So we got 3 squares in total. So an amazing job. If you're able to do this one or try again, you can do it. So the Tai Chi work. So Tai Chi practitioners believe that the intense concentration and slow movements improve the flow of energy throughout your body. So it's a positive energy Thus, it will help to eliminate negative energies like stress and anger. So for example, one kid has a lot of anger towards everyone at home. Like, it's just because she had a past experience in her life, like she got insulted like in front of everyone. So every day when she will think about it, it made her angry over again and again, and she shows that to everyone. So what she can do? She can do this Tai Chi work, and she can eliminate the anger from her body and mind. Okay, what she want to do, or what we want to do, like you can sit on a chair or somewhere and make your body like very calm, and sit in a comfortable situation and at a peaceful place. Then imagine the most angriest, frustrated thing that happened to you. Think about the people who really made you sad and angry. Think about that thing. It may be your teacher, it may be your friend, it may be your parent. They really insulted you, you made really frustrated, you made angry, you made pissed off, and you became very pissed off. And think about all those situations, and that time you can feel that really the hot energy, and your body temperature will rise up, your body will be stressed out, your mind will be stressed out. That time, let's try to eliminate the negative emotions or negative energy from your body. So you can stand up straight and keep your shoulders straight, and let's raise up your hands like this and rotate your hands in clockwise. Rotate your wrist in clockwise and be focused on the clockwise movement of your wrist. Okay? During this time, let's hold your breath for a second and let's exhale. Okay? Keep that process while you are rotating your wrist. And finally, you can exhale a louder breath. You can exhale the breath fully and empty your sac, and that time let's think that your energy is going out from your body and out from your mind. It really works. Just try to do this activity at home. It really works. If you know someone is really pissed off or really angry and really sad, you can suggest this activity to that person as well. So let's move to the next activity, that is moving by degrees. If the hour hand on a clock moves 1/6 degree of a degree every minute, then how many degrees will the hour hand move in 1 hour? How many degrees? Do you get the answer? Just think. Brainstorm. I know you got the answer. It's 1 degree. So here we go. You can see some flashcard over there. So flashcard training will enhance the visual learning process, and it will directly go to your right brain because the flashcard in higher speed. So try to look at this one. Go ahead. This is the synonyms of courage. I know it's high in speed, but the speed is really required because it wants to go to the right brain instead of the left brain. So let's watch it one more time. Good job for the focus. Let's look at another set of flashcards. Here we go, expensive metals. One more time, let's look at this one. So after this one, try to Google and find the expensive metals and try to recollect the images from this one and try to cooperate. Okay, I saw the gold over there, I saw the silver over there. Try to recollect your memory like that. You can do it. And thank you everyone for joining today. I hope you really enjoy the session and keep practicing the activities at your home, and see you at the next session. Until then, bye bye.